I am going to attempt to put a headliner in this car today. I have never put a headliner in a Beetle before. And I've had multiple Beetles, never put headliners in them, just drove them without them if they didn't have it. So it'll be a learning experience. And hopefully I don't muck it up too badly. So Dad's got it pretty well cleaned up. And we've got everything taken out of it. So should be able to get it in, I hope, today. Wish me luck, right? Let's see how it goes. I'll film what I can and turn it on when we get to a point. I'm gonna try to just work today, so I'll just turn it on in stages and show you the progress as we go. So this car is really, really solid. This is the original rear package tray area. This is all original, not been redone. It's just crazy insane how clean this car is. No rust at all. I'm actually kind of scared and nervous to be doing this because the car probably deserves better than I can give it. All original floor pans. Get some pictures of this before it gets all covered up. Check that out. That is not rust, it's just dirt. Crazy good shape. Not sure how much of that you'll be able to see in here since I'm shooting right into the sun, but the felt batting is all in the car. And let me flip the camera the other way so you can see the back of it. So we'll start with the doorpost next and then move on to that oval. I'd be just tickled to death if I could get the oval part and the doorpost in today. So that's where we're at. Well, it's about to get real in here. We'll see what I'm made of. Well, we're getting there. I don't think I'm doing too bad of a job. A few little places I probably need to work out, but it's tough. Oval's tough. It's coming. Nothing like doing this on a 90-degree day. I've been working on it about 6 hours. And I'm making some pretty good headway now. I got the fan going because it's so hot in here. That corner back there is looking really nice. I'm really liking that. And then once I put the this top piece in, I'm going to try and pull out some of these wrinkles. Well, night is upon us, and it took me about 10 hours, but I'm done with it. Sorry, getting a glare on the camera here. Done with it as much as I'm going to be for right now. Still a few more areas that need a little bit of finesse, but I think overall that looks pretty good. The oval area I didn't mess with too much to get it tighter because I'm going to put carpet down there. I want to be able to mess with it when I put the carpet in. There's also a little ripple, I think tomorrow, right up there. I'm going to try to work that out. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. It looks pretty good. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I will catch you on the next one.